The problem with this screw head is that it's not fitting into this hole. So I'm going to replace that bigger screw with the smaller screw, which is going to fit in. It's not fitting in either. I've got to find another screw now. So I'm searching for a screw that fits into the mirror. It's too small. This box you see here, it's got all the screws here. They were all collected by my grandfather more than 10 years back, and they've been lying in my house ever since he passed away. Eureka! Finally found it! Oops. This is too small. It's too small for the hole.